Hello world, this is Mike with Backwards Machining, and today we're going to be making some T-nuts. I got a couple of machines that need it. You can never have enough of these guys, and this is the material I'm going to be making it out of. I got a few of these 1x1 chunks of steel. So the next step is going to be trying to figure out what's the best way to do this. Do I put it in the milling machine here and just essentially get it down to thickness and cut off the sides, or do I put it in the horizontal mill and do it that way? Well, I don't know. Stay tuned. We'll find out. Well, to give you some perspective on how hungry this machine is, it ate my chip brush. Damn it. Oh well. I got one side mostly done. Now I just got to do the same thing on the other side, and that should leave the 5/8 in the middle for the T-nut. And this dimension should be consistent with the other T-nut. All I'm going to do is push the wheel over 5/8. I'm not going to mess with the Z height, so it should cut the same exact height. Unfortunately, it's really close to my vise and it's making me nervous. So I don't know. I might change it up a bit. All right, I decided to switch this up a little bit. I ended up, as you saw, we have one part of this done. Now, I was going to throw it on the mill, but it was just taking forever trying to get through this. So I put on a bigger cutter. I'm going to try, instead of taking a really deep cut, I'm just going to take a shallow, wide cut. Stay tuned. We'll see how that goes.